Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. This video is my current foundation routine. This is just what I've been loving and what I think has been working best for my skin. I'm going to show you all of the bronzing, contour, highlight, blush, foundation, concealer, all that fun stuff is going to be in this video. So if you guys want to see how I've been doing my foundation, just keep on watching. Be sure to subscribe if you are new to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. But let's go ahead and get into this video. The first thing I'm going to do is use my Badescu Rosewater spray. Love this stuff. And I literally just soak my face, basically. So refreshing. I love this stuff. After I spray my face, I'm going to go in with the MAC Prep and Prime primer. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. And I'm just going to put this all over my face and rub it in. I don't wear makeup or foundation every day, honestly. I don't wear foundation a lot, especially for school. I don't ever wear makeup to school. I don't feel a need to. But since I'm on Christmas break, you know, sometimes I like to wear makeup and feel glam. So I have the primer all over my face. And now I'm going to go in with my foundation. So the foundation I've been loving recently is the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. And this is what it looks like. It's actually brand new to my collection. The shade that I'm in is Y245 or 7W01. So that's the shade that I'm in. It's actually really easy to apply too. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to my face. And I'm going to take my new beauty blender. I love new beauty blenders. And I'm just going to bronze my skin. This looks so good on the skin. It feels like I have nothing on my skin. So with the beauty blender, it does come out a little bit lighter coverage than normal. Sometimes I use a foundation brush, which looks like this. I got this from Amazon. It came with a set. I'll just link it down below. I'm not sure what the name of it is called, but this is the foundation brush. Sometimes I rotate. If I want fuller coverage, I'll use this. If I want less coverage, I'll use the beauty blender. But for today, I want a little bit more coverage. So I'm going to apply it in the area that I want more coverage. I'm going to go in with my beauty blender again and just press it into my skin. So the foundation is done. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and the palette I have been loving is the Morphe Brushes palette. I believe this is either the foundation palette or the concealer and contour palette. I'm not sure the exact name, but I'm gonna find it and link it down below for you guys. This is what it looks like. It's got great shades in there, light to dark. You can tell I've been using these two shades because that's what matches my skin the best. So I'm actually going to pick up those two shades, and I'm going to use that as my concealer and my under eye brightener. I'm going to use a concealer brush to apply it. This really brightens under my eye. And these are cream based, so they apply really nicely to the skin. And I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend it out. Okay, and moving on to contour, I'm going to be using the shade right here. Using this brush to blend out the contour. Go back in my beauty blender and just blend everything out. Okay, moving on to powder. I'm gonna take the Airspun loose face powder in translucent. Put some powder right underneath the contour. This is gonna help clean up the line and define the contour even more. And I put powder underneath my eyes to bake. dust the powder away. Bronzer, I'm going to take the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in the shade Sunlight. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and just bronze my face. So I normally don't contour my chin area, but that's personal preference. If you guys need to or would like to, you totally can. I just don't prefer it. Favorite blush is the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Party. And this is like the little sample size, but I've already hit pan on this and it's a really pretty blush. I'm just going to put this on the apple of my cheek and blend it in. This is highlighter, and this is my favorite part. So I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Pro-Fusion highlighter. I'm not sure what shade this is because it doesn't say on here. But I think they only have two highlighters. They have a pink toned and this is the gold toned. This is what this looks like. I have the gold toned. I prefer gold highlighters, but unfortunately this doesn't say the shade on here, but I'll just have everything linked down below for you guys. So I'm going to take my Rosewater spray and I'm going to spray my face. And I'm going to apply the highlighter with a fan brush. Finish off the face, I'm going to use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. Okay, so I'm just going to take my beauty blender again and I'm just going to gently press everything into my skin. This is going to help blend everything and just make it look really seamless on the skin. I do have a breakout like right here, but I'm not too worried about it, so it's not really bad. Just going everything into my skin. This highlighter is so pretty. Alright, so this was my foundation routine. I really hope you enjoyed watching this. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!